Hey folks, welcome to Car City Inc. and look at this beautiful new arrival. This is older unit, but it's very nice and fun vehicle. 2002 Lexus SC430. This one is hardtop convertible with a nice V8 engine. It's a 4.3 with low miles, only 96,000 miles, which is very low for its age. And the car is in excellent condition, body look great. Also older units, they're always fun to have, always catch attention of other people, and again it's very fun to drive. Nice rims, nice tires, spring is here, so just a little toy, you know, never gonna hurt anybody. Look at this nice wooden trim, power windows, power locks, power memory seats. Interior is in good shape for its age. Passenger seat looking good. It does has a nice again wooden trim. 96,000 miles, no lights on. It's got even heated seats, climate control with AM/FM radio and the 6 CD changer. And again, the good thing about this one, it's so easy to operate. If you want to close it, you just pretty much push this button, and within 10-15 seconds we have a hard top, so you actually can drive this vehicle all year around and enjoy the ride. Just like that, and it's ready to go. Sun or rain, you having a good time. I'm gonna show you how this looks now. Just like that, see, no problems, hard top. So if you guys in the market for nice little convertible, this is gonna be a great choice. And on our website you guys can find a free copy of the Carfax report. So it's 4.3 V8. The good thing, the timing belt been done, which is the biggest maintenance on these engines. So check us out, carcitychicago.com. We have 150 cars in stock. We can help you with the finance. We can help you with extended warranties for the good price. And as I told before, we just open service departments which open for public. So if you guys have any vehicles with any issues, just give us a call, and you can exchange your vehicle or service it here at Car City Inc. in Palatine. Thank you for watching this video, and as always, have a great day.